Before we begin, make sure you've got Final Cut Pro X installed on your system. You can find Color Finale 2 available for download at colorfinale.com. Once you've downloaded the software, launch the installer. Enter your license information given to you via email. If you've downloaded Color Finale 2 without purchasing it, you'll have the option to launch in trial mode by leaving the serial number blank. Launch Final Cut Pro X. You'll find Color Finale 2 within the effects window. Both the standard and pro versions are installed. To apply Color Finale to every clip in the timeline, load just one instance of it on your first editorial clip, select the clip, copy it by pressing Command-C on the keyboard, highlight all of the clips in the timeline by pressing Command-A on the keyboard, deselect the first clip by command-clicking, and now paste effects, which can be found within the Edit menu bar. Now, Color Finale Pro will be applied to every clip in your timeline. Color Finale 2 now features an Adjustments Inspector. From the inspector, I can adjust contrast, white balance, tint, and global saturation. At this moment in the shot, the focus is slightly soft. By increasing the sharpness, I can recover a bit of detail on the side of the camera body. Copy and paste allows you to move inspector settings from one clip to another. Within Edit Layers, you will find more advanced features such as HSL curves, vector offsets, RGB curves, and a three-way color corrector. The Layers menu hovers over top of the Final Cut Pro user interface and can be moved and scaled. Further down the inspector, you'll find the image analysis tool False Color, color chart calibration, film emulation, and a global blend slider.